Alright guys, I'm cleaning up the carport. I've been moving this thing all around, driving it. It's getting better and better. I've got 90% of the leak fixed. I probably will end up taking this whole transmission back out and rebuilding it, putting a brand new front pump in. I'm not even going to mess around next time. I'm going to put a new front pump, new torque converter, everything. Yes, I should just rebuild the whole thing, but a reputable place wants $1,500. I'm going to do what I can do for about $400, maybe less. I might not even change the front pump. I'm just going to put the new seals in there. But anyway, now my grandson's watching me film on FaceTime. Let me get my steering right on this thing. There we go. Gotta back her in, get us some logs. For those of y'all wanting an update on the Malibu, I ended up fixing some of the leak again and taking care of a few things. She's not perfect, but she's doing a lot better. I need my chainsaw to cut some wood. Just loaded a couple logs for now. I bet my cat's gonna run over here and jump on this trailer in a minute. Go get on the trailer, girl. No, not yet. What, you camera shy all of a sudden? We'll use the crane here in a little bit, but I didn't have time right now. It's getting dark. The reason we got these little branches here is I want to take my little saw, I want to cut some of them into scale size firewood. I might even split some of them, but I'm going to use them to stack in the bed of the high trail. Since the bed is only so deep, I really can't think of nothing to hide the fact that it's a fake bed. So if I put firewood, it would look like I'm hauling a load of firewood. So I need bigger wood too, but what you doing, girl? She's trying to hog all the spotlight. Look at her. Yeah. Come on. You want to get on the trailer? Come on. Come on. Watch this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Stay there. Stay there. Stay right there. She used to do it. She's aggressive now. She's like, you're gonna pet me now, boy. I don't know why she sounds like a man, but it's all right. I've been playing with the cat a little bit, having some fun for a minute. I think now we're gonna head over to the course, unhook the trailer, leave this contraption on the back, and climb a few obstacles. We're gonna see if Cece will follow me over to teeter-totter again. Come on, girl, you wanna go? Let's go. Let's go for a ride, she says. She comes running when I go. It's already getting dark on us, but oh well. I want to say thanks to everybody for their condolences on my mom's passing. I really appreciate it. It was kind of hard for me to reply to a lot of people. Hard to read it, but I really appreciate it though. We're going to get some bigger logs on here. This was just something I was bored and doing. You know what? We're going to just unhook the trailer and go for the long haul across. All right, Cece, you ready? Let's go for a ride. She don't like that road either. I try to keep her away from it as close as we go. If she's following me, I'd usually just won't go out here this close. But My diffs are not locked in yet, but we're just going. Oops. Well, you gotta keep moving if you're gonna get up there. No sitting, girl. You know how it works, no sitting on the trail. I'm a little rusty. This ought to be interesting. Oh, stay up there. Recovery. Look at her. She's like, what are y'all so slow for? We're hauling a wide load across here. This ought to be interesting. There we go. Now this will be interesting here. What a monster of a rig. I need to get some stickers printed up in memory of my mom to put on some of my rigs. But I ain't even been able to get EZBOY printed yet, so. Oops. Gas tanks are catching up. There we go. Getting me some traction. Appreciate it, girl. That's how we do it here. Teamwork. Watch this. You're going to do the teeter-totter first again. Ooh. Ooh, all this weight's going to be rough. Oh. Gotta wait. Look at her. She was going up there without me, but where's Cece? Gotta wait. Let me get my truck on first. Here we go. Watch this. That's hilarious. Lead the way, girl. Come on. Go. You know, go. Uh-oh, my dog heard me outside. She's just leading the path. I can't go that way. Nice shortcut, girl. Oh, I can fit through this bridge down here. Hope it fits. We're close. Oh, we ain't gonna make it. Oh, we might. Oh, we made it. Nice drag brake all the way down too. That's cool. Let's go to my favorite obstacle again. I hit it the other day. Actually, I'm going over here. This thing's just amazing, ain't it? It's so fun to play with. She's behind me, I think. Alright guys, just a short little video. It's too warm and it's already getting dark, so we're gonna wrap it up. Thanks again for everyone who watches, subscribes, likes, comments. If you stayed till the end, you're the best. Appreciate you. And again, thanks for all the prayers and kind words for my mother's passing. I really appreciate that. It's still hard for me to talk about, so all right, thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one. And I'll give you an update on my car for those of you who want to know. All right, thanks, peace.